Are you excited?
I'm excited. I'm excited.
Return to the Mac. Get it, what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for it.
Nice.
Andrew, that's where you take a picture of?
Better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up, first shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, nope, y'all can't copy yet. Bad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music, I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my
Excuse me, I'm sorry. There's like a stick is sticking out. Do you guys see it?
Yes.
That's the highest point of all New Jersey, and it's called High Point.
Huh.
It's like
Am I in the way
about
you're
driving
it's
from
okay.
here.
Please move and give.
It's really cool, like for camping there and hiking. And
N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-T shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back question. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out. Here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Here we go back, this is the moment. Tonight is the night, we'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Here we go back, this is the moment. Tonight is the night, we'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Nah, can I kick it? Thank you. Yeah, I'm so damn grateful. I grew up really wanna go fronts, but that's what you get when Wu-Tang raised you. Y'all can't stop me. Go hard like I got an 808 in my heartbeat. And I'm eating at the beat like it gave a little speed to a great white shark on Shark Week. Raw, time to go off, gone. Deuces goodbye. I got a world to see. And my girl, she wanna see Rome. Caesar make you a believer. Nah, I never ever did it for a throne. That validation comes from giving it back to the people. Now sing this song and it goes like, raise those hands, this is our party. We came here to live life like nobody was watching. I got my city right behind me. If I fall, they got me. Learn from that failure, gain humility, and then we keep marching.
And we go back, this is the moment. Tonight is the night, we'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Go back, this is the moment. Tonight is the night, we'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. So we put our hands up.
myself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see,
I think I can.
I'll be the light to guide you.
Cross traffic today.
Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, if you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep,
Hey, what are you doing?
I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh,
1972.
find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh. Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh. You can
Do puppy dog face. Pouty face. No, pouty face.
count on me, cause I can count on you.
Okay, let's wave to everyone. Hi. I like your laugh. Hi. Smile and wave. Smile and wave. Smile and wave. Smile and wave. Hi.
You're making me nervous.
No.
Put heads together and look at me. Hi.
Oh, Andy and Katie got stuck.
I got stuck twice. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Do you want me to show you on camera? Hi. No. We're just saying hi. Hi. See, that was a girl person. Hi. Yeah. Hi. You too. Hi. Hi. Except for the only girl bikers being way back. Hi. The
Somebody
Hi. 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 Hi.
What's up?
This guy.
You.
Hi.
Are you recording it?
Hi.
Oh, there's a sour.
Hi. Hi. Whee!
If there are no people, they can't say hi back.
Hi. Hi. Good, thanks. Hi. I hope that apple tastes good. Hi. No, please. No.
Sours.
No. That's not fun.
Alright, you girls can look at me while you're waiting. 1, 2, 3.
Hi.
Oh, Heather. Thank you. Girls.
Hi. Wait.
Stand right here.
Hi. Hello. Hi. They're sour. I like your bike. Hi. Nice bikes. Hi. 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 There's cones. Hi. Oh, the girl bike. I know. Say hi. Oh my god. Hi. No, she was dead.